accommodation.
Oh, very cool. Maybe you can Google Map.
ダメ。もう風波。日本語上手。ありがとう。
Take a picture, please.
知らない。
静波知ってますよ。サーフスタジアム。あ、波いいですよ。静波？知らない。なんで？静波？何県？
ウェイプール。
あ、サーフィン。
うん。
サーフィンしてきたの？
行く。
あ、これから行くの？
うん、行く。
ちょっと雨降るよね。
うん、それだけ。
はい、400円ですね。
ありがとう。We found Shizunami.
Been searching for Shizunami, and we went down a couple roads. We drove here for 3 hours from Tokyo. We're staying at this cool spot.
This container home called Kamilo.
カミーラです。井村俊樹と言います。よろしくお願いします。
The Kamilo container is right next to the surf stadium wave pool and super close. Can literally walking distance, and it's really close to the beach as well. It's super nice inside, so let's go check it out.
We walk in. This is our little living room, and then 2 bunk beds up there. In the backyard,
Got an outdoor shower, outdoor bath. Got these really nice lights, really nice little deck. Super nice. You got a little sauna and this little cruising little area, and the beach is right over there. Are these little ice baths?
sauna.
It's so sick. Oh, it's really sick. It smells like a sauna. We just got to the wave pool. That's the place we're staying right there. We're just gonna go check it out.
Sick.
Hi, Shizunami desu. Hello. Slow wave, and then it gets steep right there.
Is Ivan YouTube footage? Here we go.
We found a little wave and we're putting our suits on. There's no one out.
That's fun.
We're just gonna grind. The Japan grind starts now.
あ、こんにちは。あ、どこだったっけここ？鹿島じゃなくてわかんない。
Oh, we just went in the water just to get our feet wet at Shizunami. Yeah, me and Zoe were just surfing the beach break. It's literally gutless. We have a private session tomorrow morning at 8, and we're just gonna prepare for that. We're gonna go eat some good food tonight and watch the private session at the wave pool.
Shizunami Surf Stadium. 頑張って!
It's pouring rain. We just got to the wave pool. There's no one here. We're the first session of the day. They just installed the new signs and they look so sick. Yeah.
こんにちは、名前はキアラ。
Yes.
ベラム。
Oh my god.
Welcome to Japan!
Thank you.
man.
一行が乗車するのは60年
Oh my god. This kid is on something. He doesn't even know English.
Name. Arthur? Yeah. Arthur? 12? 12. Sei.
Meu nome é Arthur, tenho 12 anos e vou aqui competir o Step High.
Yeah, Kiara!
She should have landed. Got it.
Here she goes.
I missed that when I was doing it the whole way.
That was like close though. Jack, to the right, that way.
Oh, all right. So,
First time to the wave pool?
yeah, just trying to figure it out.
It's gonna be weird. Oh my. First heat's gonna go out pretty soon. I'm after them. I'm gonna watch the girls punt some big airs, and I can't wait to do the same.
My name is Kara Gould. I'm 13 years old and I'm from Yahupo.
Hi, I'm Kaden Persidoff. I'm 15 and I'm from Encinitas, California.
I'm Maddie Stanton and I'm 15 years old from Encinitas, California.
イハユズキです。13歳です。住んでいるところは千葉と鵠沼です。
My name is Zoe Kaina. I'm 13 years old and I'm from Hawaii.
What pairs will score the most points? You guys can come in here.
I don't think we're looking for anything. Just try the best thing you can do. And if you land it, it's going to get a high score. If you're not, you don't have to please us. Just go out there and give it a go. Yeah. Have fun. Great answer. Yeah.
Like that's probably the rule of thumb is the bigger the better, whether it's straight air or rotation.
Yeah.
Ladybird, just backpedal out, do some big hunts.
Big airs.
Big airs.
Huge airs.
Started off with the Ladybird. Yeah, let's fucking do this. At Surf Stadium, Shizunami. Yeah, Ladybirds, he won.
That was insane.
So, wait, did she stop? No, she indie grabbed. Oh, that was huge. Like her foot like moved to the side too. That's all I got.
Who's next? So stop to next. さあこのレディーバーズにもね、なんと日本からのエントリー。さあ彼女、ユキハ、鵠沼ジャパン。
Big head judge for
Yeah, you're going huge. So close.
Hi, my name is Chia Zabrowski. I'm 13 years old and I live between France and Tahiti.
I'm Sky Sue. I'm 14 years old and from the North Shore of Oahu.
Hi, my name is Ihani Kalohazari. I'm 11 years old from Byron Bay, Australia.
Hello, everybody. My name is Patty. I'm 12 years old and I'm from China.
We go Patty, Leonie, Taya, Kaya, Sky. Top one wave. So you get 2 tries on the right and 2 tries on the left. Top score will count.
みんなすごい上手。Good.
Can you do slot grabs?
I landed one yesterday.
Maybe try it.
Yeah.
Try it. You already got that down. So.
Yeah.
いやここでフロントサイ
Did you make fourth?
Super stressful, but super stoked. I was just waiting for all the girls to go on the blast ski. I was just like hoping they weren't gonna make it. I'm super stoked to make the final. The water rockets are going right now. Oh my god.
Stoked.
Yes, guys. Good job. Yes, guys. Good job, Kaya.
Good job.
Yeah. Good job. Thank you. Sorry.
Now the question we only want to do this if it's unanimous. So you guys want to have a think about whether we just ditch the right and just go all lefts? And if one person wants to serve the right, then we're going to go both. I think in the pro division we're going to be all lefts because it's just so much easier with the wind.
The two best mediocre ones or the one gnarliest biggest one. I think that might be like just going for broke.
Yeah, so like they wanted us to all come together because they wanted to oh my god, Luke. Oh my god, that was sick. Since the wind is good for the left, they were thinking that we're gonna get all 7 waves going left, but me and her want 3 rights, 3 lefts plus a bonus wave, and then the top wave counts. But they were thinking just do all 7 lefts, and then your top scoring wave will count. But since we're regular footers, we want to go right, and so it'll be more equal. Yeah, and it would like be more fair. So yeah, they should just do the same format as earlier.
Three rights, 3 lefts, 1 bonus wave. We'll determine the bonus wave after the last lap.
Yeah, you.
Yeah, Bob, yeah. I'm first.
I know. Make that.
Let's go sky jump.
Instead of slop or regular?
Regular.
Yeah. That's right.
If I made that, that would have been good.
Pretty good, huh? Good job, good job. Slob?
Yeah, slob.
It wasn't huge, but it was nice. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm super stoked to be in the final with all these girls. We're just trying to go as big as possible.
Let's go, Kiara on it.
Are you gonna get your bonus wave?
You just won a Stab High presented by Monster Energy. How freaking stoked are you?
I'm so stoked. This is amazing. Oh my gosh.
queen of 2024 Southeast Lady Bird is Kiara Gold. Let's go, Lahi. Oh! Oh! He's trying to flip. You got now. Watch it now. Oh! Let's get it. Oh! Lucas. Oh!
エキサイティングなニューフェイスも参加。レディーバーズの復活と新部門ボトルロケッツの登場にも期待ができます。
We are the Ladybirds! We're in the car pulling up to the surf stadium. Today's finals day.
And I'm in Heat 1.
I'm in Heat 2. Let's go! Run!
Gambatte!
Now to the bank. Even Righty said, right?
We're gonna like go big. Can we go in?
Yeah, yo.
You need to get the one off the. You need that one.
おめでとう。
おめでとうございます。
ありがとう。
キアちゃん1番ね。
一番すごい。
わかる。1番。
富士、マウント富士の、お肉。いっぱい食べて。どうぞありがとうございます。
What'd you get, the goods?
Good.
Beef raw.
I'm too fucked up, I pay for money for a song. That shit, my bitch don't like you, you been
Oh my god. キアラ髪の毛かわいい。
Oh, ありがとう、スカシさん。
There he is.
The man, the myth, the legend.
My car. I hit the snack bar. I had no gasoline, so I couldn't go far.
Oh,
Eat your skirt.